This is a prestigious and highly valued house tucked within the prime good-class bungalow enclave of District 10. It is just a short stroll away from Orchard Boulevard MRT station and the premium shopping, dining and tourist destination of Orchard Road, which is home to hotels, schools and embassies. Hi, this is Sylvia Chung, a real estate agent from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. I'd like to introduce you to this grand bungalow, which is in the GCP area of Chatsworth Park. Come, let me show you the house. The land is 12,781 square feet with approximately 7,600 square feet of built-up space. It is home designed with entertainment in mind and with rooms for guests and family who want to stay over. There are 6 very spacious bedrooms, all en suite, 2 gyms and an office. The house can easily park 6 or more cars. This is a great barbecue area, ideal for family gatherings and for entertainment. You can have a nice barbecue just before your dip or even after your dip. As you enter into the house, you're being greeted by a very spacious living area, and to the left of the living area is the bar area where you can have your pre-dinner and after-dinner drinks. Another interesting feature is the koi pond, which is inside the house just next to the living area. This is one of the 6 bedrooms in this house. It is on the ground floor and is ideal as a guest room. A short flight of steps from the living area leads to an intimate living dining with a generous, roomy American-style kitchen. The house is designed to bring in the natural light into the house with its tall glass windows. There are 5 roomy bedrooms, all en suite, plus a study on level 2. A short flight of steps leads you to the master bedroom and an ensuite walk-in wardrobe. The master bedroom and the study area occupies this entire level. This is a lovely bungalow for a growing family or for one who would like to entertain a lot. If you'd like to know more about this place, do call Sylvia Chung at 9222 4685. Thank you.